Hey guys, it's me Anugya and welcome back to my kids friendly recipe series. Today's recipe is something which is loved by my son and not only by him but we all love it. It is chicken popcorns. Let's get started. The ingredients are minced chicken, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, salt, ground black pepper, plain flour, olive oil or any vegetable oil for frying, and 2 eggs. Let's get started. The first step is take the minced chicken in a bowl, add chopped ginger and garlic, salt, ground black pepper, and mix it well. Okay, so once it's nicely mixed, we'll take another bowl and put the plain flour. We will be putting only 3/4 of the plain flour. That should be good. Beaten eggs, salt, and a bit of ground black pepper. We're going to put a little bit of water, just less than half cup, and stir this mix. As we are stirring, we may need to add a little bit more water. Make sure there are no lumps. This thick consistency is what we are looking at. For the next step, we will be greasing our hands with oil. And a little bit greasing the plate or tray. And now we are going to make small balls of chicken. Bite-sized balls. That's why the name chicken popcorn. And we are going to make the same thing for the rest of the chicken. And now I'm going to show the next step. Heat oil in a pan. Put enough oil for shallow frying the chicken. Heat the oil till some small bubbles start coming. Now for every chicken ball, we need to follow 2 steps. 1, roll it in the dry plain flour. Then immerse in the batter. And either with your hand or with spoon, put in the hot oil. Repeat the same step for the rest of the chicken balls. Make sure they are completely covered by the batter. The great thing about these chicken popcorns is that we are making it from the scratch. And when we make it from the scratch, we know what's inside that. There's no preservative, nothing that we don't want for your children. So our chicken popcorns are ready and it's time to plate them. So this is a great recipe for parties or even for normal days when you just want to eat something delicious. You can serve the chicken popcorns with your choice of sauce or dip, but I can't wait to have them. It's delicious. Thank Thank you so much for watching. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this recipe. I'll be back very soon with more recipes. Cheers!